Hi viewers, today I'm going to teach you how to use Adobe Premiere Pro for free. If you are a content creator, music video, you are a filmmaker, Adobe Premiere Pro is the best video editing software for you to use for your project. We shouldn't waste much time. Let's get into Adobe Premiere Pro now. I'm searching for Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, I have Adobe Premiere CC. Double click on it. So it will take a small time to upload the file, depending on your PC. Okay, now my Adobe Premiere is open. So what next? I have to create a new panel. You come here, click on this place. Okay, here is another place where you go add your title. Any title that you want to give to your project. Okay, here I decided to give my project WA, that is why. Okay, now the second part is you have to come to this side. It asks you where do you want to save your file in. Okay, me, I decided to save my file on my external hard drive because I don't want to save my file on my Windows drive. If you do that, your PC will be slow. So now it's already in my external hard drive now. Okay, I come and click save. So what next? Another okay. Okay, now I have clicked the OK. So now my Adobe Premiere Pro is open. I support to have a timeline here, where I can use to edit my video. Okay, how do you get this thing? You can't get this timeline until you import a project, a video that you want to work with. So the best thing you have to do, you come here. You can right click on this panel. Here, import image, or you cancel it. You can double click it. I'm searching for my external hard drive now. It will give me the same videos. Okay, here's my external hard drive. Okay, I'll open my videos. So I'll select some of these videos that I want to work with. After select the video, click open now. As you can see, my project that I want to work with, so I already imported into my page now. Okay, now what next? You right click on this video. Come down. You see here new what? So you click on this place, you get a new timeline. You get a timeline. Create timeline. Okay, now I have created my timeline now. Let's play this one and see.
My name is Asobi. What do you want?
Okay, I'll pause this area. So I want to cut this video. So how do you cut this video? See now, there's no anything look like a cutting. So the first thing I'm going to do, you click on the video, press C. See, you can see this one is changed. It's changed. Cutting blend now. It turned to cutting blend now. So if you don't want this cutting blend again, you press V. See, now it's changed. See, the cutting blade is here. Okay, now I don't want to use all these things, so I'll use the shortcut. So how do you use the shortcut? Okay, press V. Now I'm going to use the shortcut. Press Ctrl K. So now the video is cutting now. Don't forget, I said one. Ctrl K is a short way of cutting your video on your timeline. So I want to delete this part. Now, here I want to bring this woman, this lady. How do you do this? You play this one and see. Okay, now I will join this place to the notice doctor. Okay, now press enter.
My name is Asobi. Yeah, Paul. Don't you want to?
Okay, I'll pause it because Nabala Lamfiela it mentioned it 2 times, so I don't want repetition on my video. Okay, now the best thing I'm going to do, you click the video and do the same thing, Control K, and go and press Shift plus D. Let me undo. Undo is Control Z. Click that portion again, Shift plus D. So now I'll remove that place. I bet you Adobe Premiere Pro is the best video editing software. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like and share and comment for more of these videos. See you next week.